The German-based grocery delivery startup Gorillas is touching new heights of success. Launched in 2020, the on-demand grocery delivery startup was recently valued at $3.1 billion. Gorillas generated approximately $220 million in revenue in 2021 and aims to reach $1 billion in revenue in 2022. Not only this, the tremendous growth of Gorillas makes quick commerce delivery really promising for emerging startups. Gorillas promises to deliver groceries within 10 minutes of ordering using the dark stores. To get detailed insights on how is this possible, check out the video in cards section. Are you a budding entrepreneur who wants to step into the quick commerce sector? If yes, code Brew Labs presents. Gorillas Clone, a robust tech solution for rapid delivery, quick commerce startups. Empower your delivery startup with a complete tech suite that includes